Hi everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. If you are looking to create and manage online courses for your WordPress website, then you are in the right place. Today I will be sharing the best 5 LMS plugins that will make your e-learning journey smoother and more effective. And spoiler alert, one plugin definitely stands out as the best one. So let's delve into this. Today's video is brought to you by Breakdance, the modern visual website builder for WordPress. It's easy for beginners to learn and powerful enough for the most advanced professionals. Breakdance is loaded with features including a premium pre-made template library, a robust form builder, AI content writing capabilities, a versatile pop-up builder, and seamless WooCommerce integration. Whether you are just starting your WordPress journey or you are a seasoned pro looking for a better builder for your agency, now is the perfect time to build better websites with Breakdance. Try it today and experience the Breakdance difference. First up, and the best choice by far, is the FoxLMS plugin. The FoxLMS plugin is an absolute game changer when it comes to building powerful and engaging online courses. It's super easy to use with a drag and drop course builder, making course creation effortless even for beginners. It also supports Gutenberg blog, allowing you to create both video-based and text-based courses. What sets FoxLMS apart is its seamless integration with the WordPress Quizmaker plugin, letting you add interactive quizzes directly to your courses. On top of that, you get customizable certificates, progress tracking, and a highly flexible course creation process. Whether you are just starting out or looking to upgrade your existing LMS, FoxLMS gives you everything you need to deliver high-quality, interactive learning experiences. So, let's check it out. Here is the demo page for the FoxLMS plugin, and as you can see, you can create advanced courses with it. Let's click on the Enroll button to see how the course looks like. Here we will need to insert our login information, and if you haven't created an account yet, you can click on a Register button here. Here you can see the course page. Here you can click on the Start Learning button to start the course, and here you can see the information about the course, like the duration, the number of enrolled students, sections number, lessons number, the quizzes, the level of the course, and of course the certificate that you can download after the whole course completion. And here you can see the course content, like the lessons. And of course, what is important is that you can attach a quiz to the course and check the knowledge of your course taker about the past material. And here you can see the review about the course. So let's click on the Start Learning button. Here is the first lesson, and as you can see, you can add an image to the course. And of course you can add tables as the lesson content is created by the Gutenberg blog, and you can customize it the way you want. Also, you can add attachments to the course like informative links or documentation or videos, anything you want. And here comes the quiz to check your knowledge, as the FoxLMS plugin has a great integration with the WordPress quiz plugin, and you can attach quizzes to your courses. So let's click on the Start button and pass it. After the successful course completion, you can click on a Download Certificate button and download your certificate. Here you can see the pricing for the FoxLMS plugin. As you can see, it offers both annual and lifetime packages. And here you can see that for the business package, you have on-site support for 12 months, automatic updates, unlimited courses and users, and priority support, but you will not have access to upcoming add-ons. For the developer package, you will have 10 sites accessibility and of course upcoming add-ons. And for the agency package, you will have 50 sites accessibility and of course upcoming add-ons. Also, what is great about the plugin is that it offers a 14-day free trial, so you can explore the functionalities of the plugin and then decide whether you want to purchase it or not. So let's go to the dashboard and see what capabilities the plugin offers quickly. Here is the dashboard for the FoxLMS plugin, and when purchasing the FoxLMS, you also get the zip file for the Quizmaker plugin. On the courses page, we have created already some courses. To add a new one, you just need to click on the Add New Course button here. Here you can add sections for your course, for example, introduction. You can save it here. Here you can either add lessons or select from the existing ones, for example, like this. Also here you can click on the Add Quiz button and add your desired quiz from the list, for example, like this. Also here you will need to provide a title for the course. And we can go to the details, and here you can find features and details about the course, like the access mode, whether it's free or paid. You can write a description and specify the course duration in hours and minutes, for example, like this. On the settings tab, you can find enroll limit, like how many people can enroll to the course, difficulty level. You can specify it either beginner, intermediate, or expert. Also here you can attach a certificate, and after the course completion, the users will be able to download it. And on the analytics page, you can see some information about the course, like enrolled students, lessons, quizzes, etc. You can here add as many sections as you want, and you can add as many lessons as you want in each section. Also, you can set a featured image for the course by clicking here. For example, this one, and save it. We can publish our course, then go to the lessons page. Here you can see all the lessons we have created so far. To add a new lesson, you just need to click here. As you can see, Gutenberg blog opens, and here you can provide a title, for example, lesson. And here you can add both images, any kind of information you want, text, videos, etc., tables, as it's a Gutenberg blog and you can customize it the way you want. Also here you can find the lesson settings. Here you can take this option. By this lesson will be accessible to the users on the front end, and here you can add an attachment to the lesson. You can choose the file type, either file or URL, and here you can click and upload the file actually. And you can add different attachments, as many as you want. There is no restriction on this. So we can close it for now. And once you have configured the lesson settings, you can publish it. Then we can go to the certificates, and here we can add a new certificate like this. The certificate is developed fully customizable, so you can customize it the way you want. Here you can see different message variables are used that make the certificate more professional. So we can add a certificate title here and publish it. Here you can see you can change the typography, line height, etc. You can change the margins, whatever you want. Also here you can see the border settings, attributes, and advanced settings. Then we can go to the students page. Here you can see the students. You can filter by your desired course and see the students of it. Here you can see 2 students appeared here, and you can see the information like name, email, role, and of course details. Here you can see the details: username, email, the number of enrolled courses, completed courses, in progress courses, and total lessons. And here you can see the course information. Here we are on the instructors page, and here we can see the name of the instructor, the email, the role, which is Fox instructor, and the status as approved. Then we can go to the transactions. Here there are no transactions yet, but when someone makes a purchase, it appears here. And it is the analytics page. Here you can see a great overview and analytics about the courses, students number, instructors, overall courses, average daily enrollment, overall lessons, the number of sales, quizzes, course data, also the reviews. Here is the reviews page, and here you can see the reviews if there are any. And this is the general settings page. Here you can see some advanced settings for the general settings for the courses. Also you can here set administrator settings and upload your desired logo. Here you will need to provide a license key so that the functionalities can work for you. Here on the emails page, you will need to configure the email settings so that the email can be sent to your desired person after the course completion or when someone registers. For example, here you can specify the from settings, email to students, email to instructors, email to admin, and set up the conditions if you want. Then comes the message variables. Here you can see them: student name, site title, earn date, site URL, and student email. Here you can see the payments. Here the payment via PayPal is available. You can click here and provide the payment details, PayPal information, and you can take them from your PayPal account. Also, you can choose the currency here from the available options. And here comes the advanced settings. Here you can tick and hide the course data on the front end, on the course page, and also you can hide the reviews data if you want. That's all about the plugin functionalities. So we can see how to publish the course, the created one. So we can go to the posts and add a new post. Then write a title, for example, courses. Click on the plus button. And FoxLMS provides a wonderful way to display the courses on your website. That is the FoxLMS course grid. We can click on it. And here you can see all the courses you have created so far. Here you can choose the grid or the list view, for example, like this. And the columns number, like this. And here are the courses displayed on the front end in a very beautiful way. What is great is that the plugin adds different menus to your website, and when you click on a user dashboard, you will be redirected to your dashboard where you can see information about the courses you have taken, the quizzes you have taken, and the number of certificates you have. I guess that's all about the FoxLMS plugin. So let's go to the next one. Next up is LearnDash, one of the most popular LMS plugins out there. LearnDash offers a robust course builder, advanced quiz functionality, and powerful monetization options. It's a good choice for educational institutions and professional trainers looking to deliver structured courses. So let's check it out. Here you can see the demo page for the LearnDash plugin, and here you can see the course and the course materials accordingly. We need to log in to enroll, so we click here. Here you can see the course, like lessons and quiz availability. Here we can click and open the lesson 1. As you can see, it's a video-based lesson. So we can check the next one, this. And as you can see, at the end of the course, you will be suggested a simple quiz. You can pass it and check your knowledge. And at the end of the course, you can download your certificate. Here we can check the pricing for the LearnDash. It offers a great number of licenses and packages, and also it has a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test it before purchasing. Here you can choose for how many sites you want to purchase the plugin, and you can choose either pay annually or pay monthly. And here you can see the features included in each package, like this, like onboarding wizard, shared course tabs, video progression, and here you will have Solid Security Pro, Object Cache Pro, etc. So let's go to the dashboard and check what capabilities the plugin offers. Here is the dashboard for the LearnDash LMS plugin. Here you can see the reports overview, reporting, progress chart, LearnDash activity. We can click here. It is the setup page. Here we can see the setup information about the site. Here you can design and configure the payment and also manage your courses. Also, if you need any help, you can click and contact the support team. Then we can go to the courses page. And here we have already created some courses. Here you can see the settings page. Here are the global course management and display settings with different kind of options, course taxonomies, course custom post type options. And here you can see the shortcodes. As the documentation has moved online, you can click here and access it here. We can go back to the courses. Here you can choose how to add a new course. Let's choose add new course. Here you can add a course title, then add your desired information as the course is developed by a Gutenberg block. Here is the design library where you can choose your desired designs. Here we can close it. Then we can go to the builder. Here you can add a new lessons and new section heading, for example, like this. And new section heading, for example, course. And here you can either drop quizzes you have already created or add a new one. And add a title. Here you can go to the extend access and set an expiration date for the course and extend access for the users. Then we can go to the settings. Here you can see the enrollment mode, open, free, buy now, recurring or closed, display and content options, course materials, custom pagination, course completion page, access settings, completion awards, like for example a course certificate or course completion points. You can either assign certificate or a completion points. Here you can see course navigation settings and course students. Also here you can see the LearnDash course grid settings. And on the dashboard you can see the total numbers, like the analytics for the courses. And here we can provide a course title, for example like this, and publish it. Let's go back to the courses. Here it has already been added. Let's go to the lessons page. Here, to add a new lesson, just click on the add new lesson button, and here we can see the settings for the lessons. Here we can see lesson taxonomies, lesson custom post type options. And here you can see the lessons we have already created. Let's add a new one. As you can see, the lesson page as well is created via the Gutenberg block, so you can customize it the way you want. And let's go back to the lessons. Then go to the topics page. Here you can see the topics, the assigned course, assigned lesson, the author, and the date. Then go to the settings. And here you can see the settings related to the topic. Here we can add a new topic if we want. Then we can go to the quizzes page. Here we can add a quiz either via front-end quiz creator, quiz from AI, or add a new quiz. Here we can check the settings for all the quizzes, like global settings, email settings, notifications, taxonomies, and custom post type options. And here on the submitted essays part, we can see them as well. Let's go back and add a new quiz, like this. Here you can provide a quiz title and add quiz content if you want. Here you can see builder and settings tabs. Let's go back. Then here is the questions page, where we can add the questions of our quizzes. Then comes the certificates, where we can add a new one, and for example, and the course takers will get them after the end of the course. Here you can see the groups. We don't have any groups yet, and here you can see the group settings, like this. And here we can see challenge exams, assignments, notifications, reports. Here you can see the report filters. You can filter by the courses. And here you can see the reports overview, the number of students. Also you can see the LearnDash activity, LearnDash progress chart, and reporting. Here you can see the Zapier integration. Then comes the orders and coupons. Then we can click and view any of the courses like this. I guess that's all with the LearnDash plugin, so let's go further. Moving on, we have Tutor LMS. The Tutor LMS plugin is known for its user-friendly interface and flexibility. It comes with a drag-and-drop course builder, multimedia support, and detailed analytics. If you are into creating video-based courses, Tutor LMS is a great choice for you. Here is the demo page for the Tutor LMS plugin, and here you can see the courses available. These are paid ones, so we will go for the free one. Here you can see the course content displayed. Here you can see a video and the course content here. As for me, this plugin and this demo is a little bit difficult for me to understand which lessons the course includes. Here also you can see the plans and pricing for the Tutor LMS plugin. It has both annual and lifetime packages. Here you can see the use on one site, use on up 10 sites, and use on unlimited sites. And here you can see the features available for each package. And here you can see what the plugin has included, 100 plus great features. So let's go to the dashboard and check how the plugin works there. And here we are on the dashboard for the Tutor LMS plugin. Here is the courses page, and to add a new course we just need to click here. We can add a title for our course, a description for it. We can set a difficulty level and make a course public. Then we can here see the content drip. feature by which we can schedule our course content using content group options. Here we can see the enrollment settings, the number of students who can enroll to the course. We can see the visibility options for the course, either public, password protected, or private. We can schedule it if we want. We can add a featured image, for example, like this. Here we can add an intro video if we want, and here we can choose the pricing model and add categories and text. Then we can go next. Here we can add a topic for our course, for example, like this. And here we can add a summary. We can add a lesson. Oh, we need to save it first. We can add a lesson here, enter lesson name and content. We can also add a medium. Here we can add a featured image, video, set a video playback time, and upload attachment if we want. We can save it. Also here we can add a quiz. And add questions. Here we can choose the question types. And basic settings for the quiz. And go next. And here we can provide additional information for the course if we want, like what the users will learn, target audience, total course duration, materials, requirements. Also, if you have the pro version, you can add a certificate. Here you can see attachments, schedule live class, course prerequisites, and we can publish our course. Here is our course, and here you can see the course progress, complete. You can click and complete course, and we can click on start learning. And here we can see the courses and lessons we have created. Here we can see the categories. We can add course categories if we want, as well as tags. Here we can see the students, like the name, email, registration date, and taken course. Here we can make some filtering. Here is the announcements page, questions and answers, quiz attempts. Also here you can check all the add-ons provided by the plugin, tools, settings. I guess that's all with the Tutor LMS plugin, so we can go forward. At number 4, we have LearnDash. LearnDash plugin combines course creation with membership management and e-commerce integration. It's great for coaches, schools, and anyone looking to build a community around their courses. You can also add quizzes and certificates for a complete learning experience. Here is the demo page for the LearnDash plugin, and here you can see different courses here. Lots of courses, and they are made beautifully. Here there are both free and paid courses. Let's go for the free one. For example, we can open this one. Here what is great is that you can see information about the instructor, so we will know who is the instructor and what feedback and background he or she has. Also here you can see some information about the course. You can see the course materials and course content here, and you can enroll and pass the course. And we can click on a get started. The first lesson is a video one. We can mark complete or go to the next lesson. It's again a video-based lesson. And this one as well. Here we can also see the pricing for the Tutor LMS. It has 3 main bundles, and also it offers a free version, Infinity Bundle, Universe, and Earth Bundle. And here you can see the differences between packages. Unlimited active sites, 5 active sites, and 1 active site. And here you can see the support for the number of users. Also, the plugin offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, and you can test the plugin before actually purchasing it. So let's go to the dashboard and check the plugin there. Here is the dashboard for the Tutor LMS plugin. Here you can see enrollments, registration, sales, and lessons completed. Here you can see quick links. Here you can see most popular add-ons. Here you can click and create a new course. Just write a title for the course like this and provide the course information, for example, course instructor. Then click on the continue button here. Then we'll need to click on the launch course builder button. And here we can name our section, for example, course. We can add a new lessons by clicking here. Provide the title, general settings, whether it's a free or not. Then we can go to the assignment, and if you want, you can add a new one. It's a premium feature. Then we can go to the quiz and create a new quiz. Here is the title for our quiz. Here is the permalink. You can add a description, passing percentage, limit attempts, time limit. You can specify whether the quiz can be resumed or not. You can show correct answers, randomized questions ordering, disable retaking of the quiz. And here we can add a question. Here we can choose the question type and enter choices here. Provide a description, enter a question like this. You can also add an image and a video if you want. And you can tick and enable multiple correct answers. And we can save our changes here. And click on the view course button to see it. And here is the course on the front end. Here are the courses with its lessons. So we can go forward to the last plugin, that is Sensei LMS. And finally, we have come up to the last plugin, that is Sensei LMS. Developed by Automatic, the creators of WordPress, Sensei LMS seamlessly integrates with WooCommerce, making it a great choice for monetizing courses. It's simple, straightforward, and works well for basic e-learning setups. Here is the demo page for the Sensei LMS plugin. Here you can see both paid and free courses. We can click and start any of the courses. Here is the course. Here you can see the welcome part and courses content. Also here you can see the quizzes and selling courses. We can click on start course button. Here we will need to fill in the objectives of the course like this. And here is the course content, lesson content. Here you can see the question types you can use for the quizzes of the course and quiz settings. We can click on take quiz button and take it. It's a timer quiz. Also, you can save the progress and get back to the quiz whenever it's convenient. Here you can see the pricing for the Sensei LMS plugin. Also, it offers a free version. Here you can see interactive blogs and Sensei Pro. And here you can see the features you will get with each package. Also, it has Sensei Agency package, and this is the highest package the plugin offers. And here you can click and compare all the features available in each package. Though the plugin doesn't offer a free trial, you can check the demo before actually going to purchase it. So let's go to the dashboard and check how the Sensei LMS plugin works. Here is the homepage of the Sensei LMS plugin. We can go to the courses. Here we can see courses that have been already created. Here we can see course categories. We can add new ones and showcase courses we have already created. Here we can click and create a new course. Firstly, provide a course title, for example, like this, and course description, and click continue. Let's close it. Here is the course outline. We will start with blank. Here we will click on a plus button and choose lesson. For example, like this. Here we can go to the modules page and add a new module if we want. Then go to the lessons and add a new lesson. Here we will provide a lesson title, for example, like this. Here we can choose from the available lesson layouts, like you are creating a default, Zoom meeting, video lesson, files to download, or lesson with quiz. We will choose, for example, a lesson with quiz. Here we can provide a question title and add answer options, for example, like this. And the same for the second question. Also, with the pro version of the plugin, you can create quiz questions with AI. Then we can go to the questions page. Here you can add questions if you want. Just need to click on the new question and add questions for your quiz. Then comes the students page, where you can see all the students that are registered on the courses and on the website. You can here filter by course if you want. The groups feature is available in a pro version. Here you can see the grading. Here you can see the messages if there are any. Here you can see the reports about the courses done by the students. Here you can go to the courses and lessons. There are no reports yet. Then comes the settings page. Here you can see general settings, then appearance. Here you can see the courses settings, lessons, emails, student profile settings, WooCommerce settings, content drip, and experimental features. And with the tools, you can import content, export it, and ensure roles, and many others. That's all about the 5 best LMS plugins for WordPress. And that's it. These are the best 5 LMS plugins for WordPress in 2025. While all of the plugins are advanced, the FoxLMS plugin clearly stands out from all other plugins with its flexibility, user-friendly interface, and quiz integration. If you are looking for the best way to create and manage online courses for WordPress, the FoxLMS is the way to go. In the comments below, let me know whether you have used any of these plugins or not, and whether you are going to use the FoxLMS in your next project. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell for more tips and reviews. See you in the next video. Bye!